Now we'll be doing one small program for the conversion purpose. As we know that ASCII coding scheme and BCD number system is very popular, used in many applications. So most of the times in real-time clock, as far as RTC is considered for microcontrollers, that provides the time, day, hour, minute, second, all these things in the BCD format, and we may want to convert it into ASCII, or we may have any other applications also where we especially need the ASCII particular number format. So universal though BCD is, but still ASCII is also most popularly used in many other applications wherever display is involved and some sort of printing is involved. So for this purpose we will write a small code. As we know that for ASCII BCD to ASCII conversion, we know we have to, whatever we have packed BCD, we have to first of all unpack it, and then separated nibble, in that we have to add 30, so that will give you the resultant number. So what is ASCII coding scheme? Standard practices, whatever is your BCD number, with that it is in relation with 30, that is digit 0 it corresponds to 30, digit 1 it corresponds to 31, digit 2 corresponds to 33, 32, and so on, and 9 corresponds to 39. So like that you have the respective ASCII code. So we will write a small program in assembly language. So for that I'm first of all writing giving some name to the project, new project I have done, then just give the name, save. We will go for this atmel, then we will select 89C51, atmel 89C51. Okay, this is no, and now file new. I will first of all give here some title. So the center itself I will give, so that it is packed BCD to ASCII. Fine. We will go here. So my first instruction is org 0h, 0h, enter. I will take first number, that is packed BCD number, into the accumulator, comma, shift hash, some number I will take, say 54h. Now here only I will give comment that a equal to 54h. This is packed BCD input number. Okay, then next thing we'll copy it into some register, say move R2 comma A, any register you can take, not necessarily R2 and all. So here I will write keep copy in R2. Then third one is will AND immediately a comma. What is our logic for conversion? We want to separate out, we want to unpack. So for that, accumulator is containing the packed BCD number. We will unpack that number into two nibbles. So for that, first of all I will AND with 0fh, and then I will AND with f0h. So that is f0. So lower nibble and then upper nibble. So here what we are doing, masking the upper nibble. Since we are ANDing with so here the number will be a equal to because of this masking, upper is going to get ended with 0. See here, 0 F is there. So this 0 is ended with 5 and F is ended with 4. So 4 will be retained and 0 and with 5 it will get cancelled. ANL is AND logical. So accumulator will contain, because of this masking, 0, 4. Getting? Now next, what we will do, we have to add 30 into that. So for that purpose, we will OR logically A, comma, hash 30H. Fine. So this will give you ASCII equivalent of 04. Okay. Now whatever is the answer, we will transfer it to some register. So for that, I will write move some register. I am taking say R4 or R say 6, whatever, anyone you can take, comma A. So that is save it. Save into R6. Okay. Then there is move A comma, because we want now the same number once again, and that's why in this upper instruction we have kept one copy of the same before unpacking it. So once again I will take it from R2 to accumulator. Temporarily we transferred that. Here I will write get original number. And now what we have to do, AND logical again with A comma hash 0 F 0 H. So that upper nibble now we want and lower nibble we want to mask. So here what we will write, mask lower nibble. So that in accumulator what will be, A equal to upper 5 0 will get. Okay. And now we have got 5 0, but we want 0 5 because in the separated form we want. So for that purpose what we will do, we will rotate it. The entire nibble we want bit by bit. So we want this. So therefore either R or RL, any instruction, 4 times we will rotate it. RR, again RR, bit by bit it will get rotated, and therefore from 5 0 it will become 0 5. Once again RR A. So at the last I will make the comment, rotate right 4 times. Okay. And now add 30 in that. So for that instruction, ORL A comma 30. Immediately we are doing. So that's why we have to use this hash sign 30H. So that A will be equal to 35. Isn't it? 35H. And that is nothing but ASCII value of 5. Store the result. Once again we will copy it into move R7 or R5. I will use R5 comma A. So result is there. ASCII character of result. Save in R5. Fine. And so before that is jump. $sign I will use, either write here or $sign. 8. Fine. So let us save this code. I will give here name BCD to ASCII. Save. Once again I will save. File save as, because we have not given the extension. We have to give extension to that. Write this underscore and all. BCD to ASCII dot ASM. Fine. Save. Now what we have to do is, first of all we have to take it into the respective source group. So for that, add files to group. What is our name? BCD to ASCII dot ASM. So add, close, click here, you will see here that file, and now build it. So there are 0 errors, 0 warnings. Now what you have to do? Debug. So start stop debug. Here it is, just make it okay. Now a little bit this window we will make it bigger one. Fine. And from the beginning you can see. So one by one we will start single stepping. First thing, org0h. First of all we have taken one number 54h. Now we have copied it into R2. You can see here that 54 is copied into R2. Here also green bar, you can see line by line we are executing. Then next one, ANL. So what is ANL doing? And logical accumulator contents with 0f. What is in accumulator? 54 ANDed with 0f. So upper nibble 5 ANDed with 0, 0. 4 ANDed with f. F corresponds to 1, 1, 1, 1. So data is retained. So that's why the upper nibble is masked. So we get 0, 4. So from 54 we obtain 0, 4. Unpacked, separated out. Then next is move that particular result. Add with 30, ORL A comma 30. We have 0, 4 in accumulator. In that 30 will get added, and the ASCII equivalent of 4 we will get here 34, and 34 is copied into R6. See here, accumulator is containing 34, and now when we do next single stepping, so here you can see R6 register is containing 34. Fine. Now go on doing next. Now next number, once again we have copied 52 into accumulator, 54 into accumulator, our original number. Now AND logically with accumulator content with 0F0. This 0, why it is written here? Whenever it is a hexadecimal number system, and whenever you are here, whatever you are using the number that is belonging to hexadecimal A, B, C, D, E, F. So to indicate that it is immediate data, but it is a hexadecimal number, only attaching H is not enough. You have to precede it with 0. So preceded by 0. So this is the convention. 0 from A onwards, means before A up to 0, 0 to 9, fine, no need. But if it is A, B, C, D, E, F, you have to attach this 0 to indicate that it is a number, it is a decimal immediate number. Now ANDed with 0F0, that is actually F0. So because of that, what is upper nibble 5 will get separated out. See here 5, 0 we will get, but we don't want 5, 0, we want 0, 5. 54 is made up of 4 and 5. We want to separate it as 0, 5 and 0, 4. So 104 was easy because we ended with 0f, but now we want 05, but because of ending with f0 we are getting 50. So we want to interchange these nibbles. So for interchanging nibbles, either you can use swap instruction or you can go for rotate instruction. Simple R, R or RL without carry. Rotate accumulator content bit by bit because the nibble we want to exchange. Lower nibble to upper nibble to lower nibble. That is 50 to 05 we want to make. 50 to 05. So for that purpose 4 times we have used RR instruction, and now your accumulator contents will get first time, second time. You observe here A contents one by one blue mark, and fourth time. So it is 05. So bit by bit it is done. And the next one, now add 30. So the resultant is 35 over, that is copied into R5. So here you can see R5 is containing 35, R6 is containing 34. So upper one and then lower one. So 35 and 30 are the actual ASCII equivalent numbers for the packed BCD 54. 5 added with 30, 35, and 4 added with 30, that is 34. So these two numbers are nothing but the answers. Right? So finish. Now let us make change. One more number I will take. So in the beginning I will change the data. Say for example, instead of 54, if I take any other, say 67. Finally, once again I will keep 54 because my comments are considering 54 as a number. But just for time being, to show you the execution, once again I have changed the number, input number. Same, 0 warning, 0 error. And now we'll start debug. Start. So as to just repeat the execution. Okay. And see here, single stepping. First step, 67 number taken. You observe this project workspace part. This portion you just observe line by line. So next is number is taken, unpacked 07, then added with 30. Accumulator content you continuously observe. This A you observe, just go on observing. 37 it will become. It is copied into this R6. Simultaneously you see the program also. Next, again once again original number is taken 67. Then upper nibble we want, so 60, that is ANDed with F0. Now interchange once, twice, thrice and fourth time. So 60 has become now 06. Rotate right. Now next, added with 30. Final answer is in R5. Finish. End. Got it? So this is the way you can get packed BCD to ASCII. So I will stop here. First of all, just as it is, because our description is according to that 54 comments whatever I have written. So that's why I will keep here 54 only. And this is save. And once again rebuild and debug. Okay. This is the fine. Right. So R5 and R6 is containing final answer. Okay. Thank you.